So today we have visit from a company called Ofhorse, and they will help us to understand how the equipment affects the horse during riding by integrating sensors. So this is important knowledge for us at Bhoof to understand how our products work today and how we can improve them moving forward.
Well, we're trying to measure how the equipment fits, where the pressure comes from the breastplate when the horse is standing still, and when the horse is moving, and when it's jumping. Because when it's standing still, it's quite easy to have a look yourself where the pressure is, because you can feel, but then you don't really know how that changes when the horse moves, and obviously also when the horse jumps. I want to know how it restricts the horse and in what way we can prevent that. Well, with the girth, I like to try to find out where the pressure is, if it's mainly underneath or if it's on the side, and also how the pressure changes from when the horse stands still, when it's moving, and when it's jumping. Because these things are very important to learn more about, to be able to design the most comfortable girth for the horse.
Today, more specifically, we have tested not only the girths but also the breastplate. So we use sensors that can measure both the tension in the girths and in the breastplate, and we also use pressure sensors, so we understand where the force comes from and where it applies the pressure. And this way, it will help us develop better fit that is, let's call it, both anatomically and physiologically optimal for the horse, doing its function while minimizing any uncomfortable feeling or any hindering of the horse.
We're collecting data from both products. What we've done is that we put sensors between the horse and the product. So we're measuring both what kind of forces that are appearing when the horse is moving, and also what pressure that appears on different places on the horse. See here is from the movement from the horse to be able to see what strides it's in, and compared to the pressure that appears on the horse between the equipment and the horse itself.
My background as a vet and a researcher in biomechanics, I'm really interested to help develop equipment that really helps the horse to perform without hindering. So specifically today we have looked at a girth, or different kind of girths with different constructions, and see how they actually load the horse, the forces that there is in the girths. Looking at it with measurements, we can combine understanding measurables and actually both get the feeling from Peder and looking at the horse locomotion if it has any effect.